Most people blame AI for bad answers when the real problem is often the instruction. They type 10 words, AI gives them a generic answer, and they say, "This AI is not very good." But imagine hiring a consultant and saying, "Fix my business." That is the entire brief. No explanation, no objectives, no data, no constraints. Then, when the consultant gives you a generic answer, you complain about the quality of the strategy. The problem is not always intelligence. Sometimes the problem is the brief. A prompt is a brief. Welcome to Module 2. In this lesson, I am going to teach you the core prompting framework for this course, the P.R.O.M.P.T framework. P.R.O.M.P.T stands for purpose, role, output format, materials, parameters, testing, and refinement. Let's break this down. First, purpose. Ask yourself, what outcome do I actually want? Not what do I want AI to do. What outcome do I want? There is a difference. Write about leadership is an activity. Create a 5-minute leadership video script that teaches new managers how to give constructive feedback is an outcome. Your purpose creates direction. Before writing a prompt, finish this sentence. At the end of this task, I want to have a decision, an email, a strategy, a list of ideas, a summary, a 90-day plan. Clarity around the outcome improves the prompt. Second, role. Who should AI act as for this specific task? For example, act as an executive coach, act as a beginner-friendly tutor, act as a customer research analyst, act as a critical editor. Assigning AI a role is not magic. The role provides perspective and context. It tells AI which patterns of thinking, language, and analysis may be more relevant to your task. The third element is output format. How do you want the answer presented? A table, a checklist, an email, a step-by-step plan, 5 bullet points, a 60-second video script, a comparison matrix? This is one of the easiest ways to improve AI output. Do not force yourself to reorganize a badly structured answer. Ask for the structure you need from the beginning. Number 4, materials. What context does AI need? This could include your notes, a description of your audience, product information, research data, a job description, a previous piece of writing. Think of materials as the raw ingredients for the task. You cannot ask a chef to create a recipe without the ingredients. The fifth element is patch. Parameters, these are your boundaries and constraints. What tone should AI use? Professional, warm, direct? How long should the response be? What should AI avoid? Who is the audience? What reading level should it use? Parameters protect you from generic output. And finally, testing and refinement. This is where sophisticated AI users separate themselves. They do not expect the first answer to be the final answer. They evaluate, they refine, they challenge, they improve. Prompting is a conversation, not a slot machine. Let me show you the complete framework in action. Here is a weak prompt. Write me a marketing post. Let's use P.R.O.M.P.T to fix it. Purpose: generate registrations. Role: direct response strategist. Output: LinkedIn post. Materials: webinar info. Parameters: strong hook, under 250 words, conversational. Act as a strategist. I am promoting a free webinar. Write one LinkedIn post. Keep it under 250 words. End with a direct invitation. Give me a stronger alternative. That is a brief. Can you see the difference? Now, does every single prompt need to be this long? No. Simple tasks use simple prompts. The sophistication is knowing how much context the task requires. For complex, strategic tasks, provide more structure. High importance requires a high quality brief. Now it is your turn. Take this weak prompt. Help me grow my business. Rewrite it using the P.R.O.M.P.T framework. Define the purpose. Give AI a role. Specify output. Provide context. Add parameters. Ask AI to test its answer. From this point forward, stop treating AI like a search box. Start treating it as a structured thinking partner. In Module 3, I will teach you how to use prompting to help you think. I'll see you there.